Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have my swap that I received from Carmen's Treasures. I posted a video of what I sent her and I will link that down below. And I will also link my friend Carmen's channel down below. So go over and give her a follow. I have a medium flat rate box. And I'm going to set it over here and pull out everything. As I go through it. But we did a Christmas swap. And we've been trying to get this out to each other since about Thanksgiving. And there is a cute card inside. And like I said, her channel is Carmen's Treasures. I will link it down below. And the first thing is, she made me this cute Christmas card. So that is the first thing. And then I will just pull each thing out and show you. And there are some super cute handmade flowers, embellishments. Love those. You can use those. And some thank you stamps from Fiskars. And some inspirational quote stamps. So super cute. Love those. Love having those flowers to use. And these are some poinsettias. Love this pink color. And her cute bag toppers. Some more flowers of all different sizes. Love that blue color too. But the pink is probably my favorite. I love that. And then there is a planner inside with a bunch of papers, daily to-dos. Love that. And then a bunch of planner stickers that I will definitely use. Super cute. Some papers to use. And some more stickers and papers. So love that. Love this turquoise. And then there is this winter tag. It says snow at the top. I love that wood grain Santa or snowman. And then it has a like poem for the Christ child on the back. So love that. Let's see. So many goodies in here. And then this is some angel's wings. That she has decorated. And this is so cute. How dainty and delicate. It has joy and then all of the pearls and different beads in it. Some keys and a cherub. So super cute. As you can see, they're angel's wings. See if I can set these over here. Ooh, this one has a super cute chunky charm. Love that.
Your task is check Beta 5 group for books.
And then this is a notepad that will slip right in your purse, or you can set it on your desk. It has a tuck over here, and it velcros. Love this. It's almost like a clutch, a little handbag. And then these are some tags, Christmas tags, super cute. They almost look like Christmas cookies. So some really cute winter and Christmas tags. That one really looks like a Christmas cookie. This one says believe. So super cute tags with the cute bag toppers. There are some jewel border stickers, the turquoise and the pink. We get lots of use out of those. And then in here, this looks like a little journal. And it has little cards, a shaker, a notepad, some more cards. So this is like a little, I'll use it as a journal, is what I'll use it for. So super cute. And then like a page marker. So love that. I believe she made that. That is so cute. And then it has a snowman charm on the front. A little snowflake. And then an ornament with some pink glitter and sequins inside. Put that on our tree. That's cute. And then last, let me put some of this stuff out of the way so you can see this box. So this is like a little, has a handle here, has a tag on it, it says Merry Christmas, has an old-fashioned Santa on there, and some charms, the bells, and then, oh my gosh. And then when you open it, it is a winter scene. Oh, it's so cute. Wow. I can't believe you made this, Carmen. And it has a little gift inside. With a super cute Christmas tree, and it turns on. And you set it right back inside of your winter scene. Love the truck and the barn. Super cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. So that is my swap from Carmen. Oh, I can't believe she made this. This is so cute. It's like the ice skating pond. Absolutely adorable. This turns on. That is so cute. So that is my swap from Miss Carmen. Be sure and go over and check her channel out. Give her some likes and follow her. And yeah, I have another package that I received that I'll be going through soon. So everyone have a wonderful Saturday, and I'll be back soon with another crafty planner video.